Set up. Hey, glitch. What's up? Not much. Just had another day of work. Just doing some streaming tonight. We're gonna make some Halo Infinite. Discover Cope returns tonight. We'll get underway. I haven't messed with any of the audio stuff, so it should be alright. Should be. I don't know how long we'll be streaming tonight, but I do know we'll go over the player controller. Basically, just getting the movement synced, I think. And we'll see where we go from there. I kind of thought of an idea on like what map to do. But I don't know. Well, I guess if it's supposed to be a joke of the preview flight, then we'd have to do one of the flight maps. Although I don't really know the layout that well, so we'll have to see. Which map? I'm trying to remember the 3 maps that were there. You had the power line? Not even sure. What's up, BJ? Or that training grounds map. Well, not the firing range, the one that had grass outside. The training camp map. There you go. See, that's what I said. Problem is I don't really know that well. But what I wanted to originally do before, you know, kind of recircling back to the Infinite idea, would be to do a old Halo 3 MLG map. I think it was called Onslaught. Always love that map. Symmetrical, made out of forged pieces. Be pretty easy to block out. You could just make it Forerunner. What's up, V-Line? Alright. Let's get going. And, alright. So, where we last off, we've got the movement working. Now we're working on the jumping. So, I'm gonna follow the guy once more. Whoa, where did he copy and paste that from? Wasn't looking. For shame. Oh. So, we're adding force to the rigid body. Dot add force. Alright, glitch. We'll see you in a bit. Let's transform up. Fine, and then we're gonna make a public void set ground state. Okay, grounded equals, yeah. learn how to spell. Okay. So either a raycast ground check or a box collider ground check. So we're actually going to do a box collider. I should set the player prefab open at this point. Oh. So what does he do? He adds it. Let's do cube. All right. All I need to do is set this 0.1. Player. Oh, he's making a whole new script. Shoot. Hey, Warren. Absolutely, it's already out. You didn't know? 343 just announced it. Thanks for coming by the stream. I know we have a lighter load tonight, but that's okay. Kind of starting out a little early. Grab the player controller script, and then once that has been acquired, on trigger enter. Exit. Probably can change this to get rid of the private, but you know. What's up, Mega? Hello there. Alright, so what he says next is to do player controller.set ground state is true. No. This is on exit. If other game object. Okay. state. All right. So then we change that to true. Okay. So we'll just copy this. What? I see, I see. I see. Alright. So we just basically made a check for the player if they're on the ground, and that'll tell us whether or not we can jump. So we're making a whole new move method. Figured as much. Move? No. Oh my god. We're just gonna. What we're gonna take. Glad you're in charge of it. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna put the jump in its own. Oh yeah, I forgot to change the description. What's up, Master Chief Productions? Committing movement, fixing up jumping. Looks like. I assume, Raging Spartan, you're pretty excited for No Way Home with the return of Alfred Molina, and maybe other Spider-Man men, plural. Just never know who might show up. Fixed time delta. Oh boy. Alright, I mean, let's see how this bad boy checks out. Probably should set the prefab up, right? Jump force, I don't know, we'll do like 3. Wait, hold on, he said we got errors. What is he doing? Oh, player ground check. What is he doing, dude? On collision, enter. Oh. What? Alright, what do we got? Damn, we're just really just copy and pasting again. Okay. False. Getting some error messages. Oh. 300? Damn, dude. It's like hella high. Okay. So we'll do that, and then first build. So player controller, we need to change one more thing, and we should be able to have this networked, I think. But we have wrong camera and syncing and janky jub. Spicing up the game scene. Okay, just a couple more things, and we should actually have the player controller done. Maybe we could throw in a Spartan model in there. For the memes. What was I gonna do? I don't remember. Right. Photon view. We have to add photon pun. Else we're not getting anything at all. PV. And then on awake, we'll just make sure we grab that. I'm not even tired, and I'm like not even typing when I need to. Where did you learn how to do this? I'm actually watching a tutorial right now. I linked it in the other video from the other night. It's Redbug's Unity first-person multiplayer tutorial. I am not a programmer by nature at all. I can kind of understand programming, but I can't come with it. You know, some stuff on the top of my head I can, like deactivating triggers and game objects and enabling cameras. Stuff you see in my other videos, I do some coding for that, but most of the time I look at GitHub and find some resources that are freely available or tutorials, and I follow them. Caleb, I have we're just getting the movement right now to work across the network. So, are you using high-level photon? I'm using Pun, and it's the free version right now. Yes, Kalo, this is potentially content, depending on what you define as content. Oh, we're doing it. Not mind check. Turn. Okay. Should be good. Another thing we have to do is we have to, on start, we have to destroy, because so I do understand just a little bit of networking, but basically when you have your Unity character controller, you have a prefab, and essentially you'll have your camera, you'll have your gun models, you have everything you see as a player from the screen, first person, that needs to be local to you. You really don't need to see any of, you're not supposed to see any of that. Like first person arms, I shouldn't see that on a third person character. But in this instance, we're talking about the cameras. So right now what will happen is if we spawn in with 2 people, the camera that joined the latest, the most recently, I believe that my player that joined first would get overridden by that other camera. So you have to make a check here and tell Unity to, or tell the game to destroy the photon view that isn't yours, because every player has their own unique photon view. So we're saying right here, if photon view is not mine, destroy the camera. So, again, I'm watching a tutorial. Nothing fancy. I think this might work. Should be good, and then now we'll just go back to our player. I believe we're supposed to add a transform view. This looks a little different than I guess use local? We'll have to see. Let's first just test to make sure. We need to set a better jump height. Jump force. Let's do 400. Yeah, I know. But I cannot jump. Why can I not jump? Let's playground check, yeah. Done that. What's up, Luke? How you doing, bud? Good to have you back. And Caleb, using mono behavior pun callbacks. You have automatically cached reference just by typing the word photon view. You mean so not having to do the get component? I'm gonna check it out in a bit. My jumping is not working. Why is my jumping not working? Collision, yada yada. Player got ground controller. Thought we were doing this right? Rigid body. It's because I don't have smooth time enabled? Nah, can't be. Could it? Just call this ground check. Oh shit, it's be set to a trigger, shouldn't it? That's probably what it's wrong with it. Yeah, I don't think I set it as a trigger. Right? No? Yes, maybe so. Well, it's gotta be, right? Oh, dude, how you doing? What are you up to working on today? We're working on fake Halo Infinite. There we go. Null reference exception. I think we'll fix that here in due time. Rigid body. Oh, right, we have to destroy the rigid body too. KFC is back, everybody. Maybe. Maybe. Do you think it's possible to make a Halo-inspired .io game? Those are the web browser-based ones. You'll have to fill me in on them. I mean, I think so. It depends on like your level of like. What am I thinking of? You have to optimize it pretty well if you want to make it accessible to everybody. What the hell? Come on. Yeah, KFC, this is a continuation from last stream. Which I don't think a lot of people are watching, so it kind of stinks. The Halo CE stuff was definitely popular though. But I'm sure I missed something up here. Well, he didn't set the trigger to be a trigger. Yeah, Halo 0. I remember that. How was it not? Well, he put it under that trigger. That's the thing. Oh, he did set it to trigger. Haha! You're probably right. Guys, Caleb, I think, has figured it out. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Jump a little higher. Caleb, I think you're gonna be right, dude. Look at that. You were right. Whoa, this thing is like hella slidey. Oof. Alright, let's go to the map. First of all, let's get those lighting settings tweaked. And then we'll just add a cube for reference. Thanks, man. Appreciate you taking your brain power to help me on this. Well, this thing is like freaking. Okay, that's weird. What is happening? I'm still rotating. Okay, that's not good. Hold on. Hold on. Did I forget to set something up? Use rotation. Maybe I missed something here. Controlled locally. Use gravity. Nope, nothing there. Is it because... No, couldn't be. Let's keep looking. I get something in the look. Negative nef. Mouse X. Vector 3. Transform dot rotate. Wait, no. Nav dot clamp. Mouse sensitivity. Seems right. Ugh. Let me look at this over. Move amount, move direction, horizontal, 0, get access, dot normalized. Did I miss something? It's alright. It's like the smooth dampening. Oh, let's jump in. We do the fix update. Is that it? Transform direction. Oh. Look at that. Might be it. This might be just it. Might have found it, ladies and gentlemen. Not to fear. It's like very slidey. like ramps up. Whoa. It's kind of weird. There's like no strafing. Well, there is. It's just. Hold on. I don't think my. Got all the variables. Walk speed, mouse sensitivity. No. That could not be it. Thanks for the subscription. Increase drag and acceleration. Maybe. I mean, copying his video. Says he's doing the same thing. Mouse sensitivity is 3, sprint speed and walk speed is 3. Oh, smooth time might be what's wrong. Hold on. There we go. That was it. There we go. It's the smooth time. Much better. A lot of air control, but I'm not really a player controller expert. But then there's that. Look, I'm not even touching it. And it's doing that. So why? You keep spinning. Spin me right round, baby. Okay. Rotation. That's odd. I do have a gamepad connected. Let me just unplug it real quick. Sorry, everybody. Getting a little too close for comfort. Dude. The last line of the look. I'm multiplying by left. You know, honestly, maybe. Says here he multiplies it. Maybe he fixes it. Maybe there's a comment. Let's take a peek. Yeah, I can. Let me just post it here. I have to open it in a web browser. I'll share it with the chat. There you go. That's what I'm watching right now. That is correct. That's what I'm saying. So I didn't test it with the gamepad. Hang on. Alright, so I haven't touched it. So if I jump, You know what? Joe might have been right. It could have been the gamepad. I need to do a mouse lock. Okay, there it is again. Look, it just started happening. I wonder if it's strafing. Something's weird. No, it wasn't the gamepad, Joe. It's rotating about the x-axis. So the player controller itself is rotating. See? It's on the Y. It's not the actual camera that's rotating. I mean, I'm pretty sure I just messed up the code. But it did it for some... Trying to reproduce it. Let's see what we can get. Alright, so we spin around, we look around, nothing happens. We use this cube as reference. My hand is not on the mouse. So I will jump. Nothing happens. To the right. To the back. To the left. I don't know what gives. Is it because I moved this rigid body? Nah. Okay, it just happened. It's like I moved. Is it because it stopped? What the fuck? Okay. That's weird. It's the rigid body. So I'm moving towards the object, right? Here, look. And now I'm fine. Straight up. Like, all I gotta do is move forward into something that has a rigid body. And I just... Yeah, see, there it goes. So hold on, you gotta... So it stops it. Okay. I wonder if it's the grounded check. Because, so if I look around when I go into it, so. Or is it only on this axis? Super weird. Here, let me reproduce it again. All right. So it's spinning right now. Here's the rigid body. Oh, you can't see because my face is in the way. My angular velocity. So what, just like zero it out? I don't think that's it. See, look. Oh, let me move. Thank you. So if I stop the Y, if I freeze the Y rotation, it's still making crazy numbers down there. It's not rotating right now because I froze the Y for that second. I feel like it's the grounded check. I like low key want to figure out. Very helpful, Joe. Thank you. Very strange. See if we can get this to go here. Right? I'll just right. So I just disabled the ground check. Let's see if this has anything to do with it. I doubt it. Nope. That is not the case. Okay. So then I think it's just how the rigid body is being set up with this movement. Or is it the look? Because it's spinning. So here we have our move code, and then we have our look code. Whatever could it be? Well, one thing we did change was get component and parent. Well, that really wouldn't affect it. I don't know. We're getting the camera holder. Lock rotations of camera holder, and you just rotate the camera. So why not just set the camera? Still doing a slight rotation, shimmeting. That's alright. Didn't expect it to really work. I'm just changing that one thing. It's not the leaves local, is it? Can't be. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh, son of a... It's in the end of this video. Hold on. What is he doing? Guys, this whole time, I'm actually dumb. Freeze the rotation of the Y. And then we changed it to, what? Continuous? Oh my god, you couldn't tell me that at the end there, homie? Well, mystery solved. Idiot. Oh, so dumb. So dumb, dude. Yeah, that should work. That should work. Cool. Cool. Cool beans, bro. Cool beans. We're back in the game, baby. Alright. So, I think what I will do is go to my package manager. What are the rules around using Halo assets in your own game? You can't, first of all. You're not allowed to use any Halo rips from any of the games that have been released by Microsoft and any other studio. Can't have your game have the word Halo in the title, and you can't sell it. That's pretty much the dealio. Where is my... Oh. I'm gonna add some prototype materials here so we can break up the map a little, because right now it is looking nasty. Actually, and I'll also make Pro Builder thing. I hope I didn't delete. Okay, so let's do package manager. Let's do built-in packages. No, you need registry. We need to go here, and then we'll go to Pro Builder. Install. So So if you're making a game that resembles Halo, but the assets are a little different, then you're fine. Yes, you are fine. It cannot be rips. I can't stress this enough. You're not allowed to use asset rips. No traceovers, no animations, no textures, no sounds, nada. Now, if you do what I do and you make videos with Halo rips, you're not really releasing them to the public for, you know, distribution. There you go. That's the word of those assets. So that it's still not technically, you know, right by the game content usage rules, but Microsoft and 343 pretty much they're chill with what the community does with ripped content, as long as nobody's making money and they're not making fan games with ripped content and passing it off as their own work, because that is lame. I don't want that. Coolio, baby. Oh. I see more of this damn game window. There we go. Much better. Much better. Alright. This needs to be way bigger. What was the extrude button again? What? Control E? Oh god! What did I just do? It's kind of cool though, I'm not gonna lie. That was extrude. No? What's happening right now? Oh, control E? Weird. Oh my god. What is happening? I swear I just used Pro Builder a few weeks ago. Stop it. Why are you so sensitive? What am I doing? What the fuck? Something is screwed up. That is not how this is supposed to work. Whatever. Okay, damn. Let's make this thing freaking huge. Alright, and then where's my material? Alright. Now we got proper grids. And we can make this, we'll go here. I kind of like my, hold on, let's think. Valve does what? Floor is actually supposed to be gray, so we'll do the gray. Do the dark gray or do the light gray? Yeah, we'll do the dark gray. And then we'll do orange. Okay. What's this? No. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Fair enough. The top should be gray. Bases, yes. There we go. Nope. 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 I know I'm being super anal about this, guys, but it just is cool like that. Oh. So there we go. Alright. So now we're just going to get us a little pizazzo. So hang on, if I just... What? I guess, right? Can't just like make sections, right? Well, ain't that disappointing. Perfect. I guess it would have been better to do it the other way, 'cause it's not facing the same direction. What are you using to make this? This is Pro Builder and this is Unity, along with these prototype tools that can be found free on the asset store. So we're just going to go this, we're just going to go that. We're going to change the lighting a little bit, because God forbid, we don't want any of that hocus pocus. No? Don't do that. Don't do that. Lighting resolution. As if. Squeeze me. Right. Forgot to set the static. Ha. That looks semi-decent. So now when you go in here, you go to menu. What map am I making? I'm just putting shit together. Just so you can do this. You can walk around. It's not really making a map right now. It's just kind of like dicking around with Pro Builder, seeing what we can make and create. See how the light maps are all jacked up now? That's fine. Whoa. Jimbo me lad. Monkey. Oh god. Yep, I know. Did I really screw this up? Whatever. Where is the subdivide? Face normal, individual face. Dude, what is this? Individual faces, vertex normal, face normal. Distance should be 1. Extrude faces. There we go. Now that is what I'm talking about. That's not what I'm talking about though. Go to material editor, do this as orange. Yeah. Down, back, don't get out your life. And you know, it's just something like that. And then we just rebake the lighting. I'm not using IL1 player assets, no, because I do not want to cause any issues. Plus, it's not my assets to use, I guess. So now we go here, go to menu, Coolio, Coolio, Coolio. So that's what I'm thinking. Why it says bake is paused. Does that auto generation shit? Super weird. Yeah, I know auto generation. Cool. Maybe we should just take this whole freaking thing and move it. And we'll bake the lighting again. Alright, that looks good. And then, what am I thinking of? I guess I could follow the rest of the other tutorial or save it for another night. Guns is basically what's next. It's only a 6-minute tutorial. Oh, you know what we should probably test real quick? Let's open up the clone manager. And let's just make it sure it all works before we finish it out tonight. Thanks for helping, Caleb. Appreciate it, man. Alright, let's make sure this works. Alright, if this would take any slower, it would. Alright, so we'll just do this real quick. Load up both menus. You only see one screen right now, don't worry about that. It's all according to plan. So we'll create a room, we're going to call it Beans Lobby. Alright, and then we'll go to server browser and I see it. And now you guys can see I have 2 players in the lobby, random generator names. And we all spawn together. Kind of a janky transform update there. Seems okay. But yeah, we have synced characters. Pretty cool. You can see me jumping around, walking around. Pretty neat. So that works. That's good. I think we'll stop for there tonight. And yeah, we'll continue the other night. Sorry it was a shorter stream. But yeah. Maybe next time we'll also have some more people, hopefully. But anyways, y'all have a good night and take care. Thanks for joining the Beancast, and I'll see you all next.